About this item: wide compatibility, compatible with Garmin Fenix 777X, Fenix 555X Plus 6SIX, S6X Pro and Vivo Smart 5 Sapphire editions, Forerunner 45, 45s 55, 245, Music 745, 935, 945 LTE, Approach S10, S40, S60, X10, G12, S12, S42, Vivo Active 3, Music 44S, Vivo Move 3 Style, Vivo Sport Venu SQ22S, Instinct Tactical Solar Edition, Tactics Charlie Delta Quadix 5.6 Sapphire, Captain Marvel D2 Charlie D2 Delta PXS, Impact Bat Swing Sensor, Barclometer 2,2 VT, Striker Cast GPS, Ray First Avenger, Darth Vader. Enduro Smartwatch, durable and premium quality, made of high quality wire, ensure the excellent charging experience for your device. Durable high quality ABS and TPE material and copper wire ensures stable current transmission, which assures the quality of the charge. Fast charge, stable performance. You can connect it to power source on PC, laptop, notebook, because this charging method can provide high efficiency and high stability charging experience for you.